objective.
Main system activating combat mode.
Commence mission. We'll start by clearing the way for Archibus. Take out the Gatling cannons protecting the city, and the Baus Tetrapod MT further in. There's heavy fire coming from up top. 621, keep an eye out for cover.
You'll never climb the walls, corporation dog! Abide with Rubicon!
Gatling cannons destroyed. The friendly MT squad will take care of the city. You take care of the Baus Tetrapod MT 621.
Forged in act! We stand as one! Die, mercenaries!
Baus Tetrapod MT eliminated. That significantly reduces the threat in the city. Access the bulkhead and break into the wall. Confirmed. You're inside the wall. Be prepared for close quarters combat. Do you read me? This is V4 Rusty. You're fast. Guess you're sharper than they say. I'll have to step up my own game. A numbered Vesper. He's an elite. But remember, even Balin couldn't crack the wall. Don't count on him too much.
Enemy attack! He's been back up! We're taking too much fire!
There should be a lift nearby. The target is close. I've dispatched a supply Sherpa. Make sure you resupply. That's the Juggernaut. Heavy mobile. I wouldn't recommend taking it head on. It won't be able to keep up with steel needs. I'll distract it while you get its blind. That's the stuff. He knows how to pick 'em. This is V4. Understood. Right. I just got an update from Snail in command. Got enemy reinforcements incoming. Final answer. Both toast. Can't leave you like this. You'll have to finish without me. He's gone. So much for our decoy. Confirmed. Juggernaut destroyed. Operation Wall Climber is a success. That pilot, Rusty, it seems he knew who you really are. It won't matter. I've taken that contingency into account.